Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kris if you're new, and in today's video we're going to be doing the wet look. This is very trendy right now in the natural hair community, so I wanted to give it a try for myself. It looks like a really cute summer style and I feel like I'm going to like it because it's looked good on everyone else, so we're going to give it a try. Right now I have my hair just pulled back in this bun. I just co-washed it. I didn't shampoo and deep condition and all that because we're just going to be slapping a whole bunch of gel on, so I will do that when it's time to wash out all of this gel. But I did go ahead and add a leave-in conditioner in the shower. This is the gel that I'm going to be using. This is the Wetline Extreme Professional Styling Gel. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss any more natural hair videos or videos in general. And let's just do the wet look. I'm going to add some gel. I'm going to section my hair off. Let me know if you tried the wet look. How do you feel about the wet look? I personally think it's cute. I just don't know how long it lasts. Natural Niecy, she killed it. Like, she's the reason that I wanted to try this because it just looked so good on her. The only thing is, no one is really saying how long it lasts and how to keep up this style. Like, how long are they actually wearing the wet look for? That's what I want to know. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and take some gel. You want to make sure your hair is detangled. I'm going to turn so you can kind of see what's going on. And then I'm going to apply, oof. I'm going to focus this on my roots. Then I'm going to take a little bit more and put this throughout the hair because we want this nice and defined as well. And then the last step is to take this brush and just brush down the roots. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed up the rest. It shouldn't take that long. Just do the top. I'm gonna try to do it all the way to the back. We'll see once we get to the front. So yes, speed it up. Okay, edges. Let's do the edges. Alright, it is time for the reveal of the wet look. I took a nap, I slept on it, so we're just gonna see how it looks underneath this scarf. Period.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe.